All right, I just did this whole tutorial before and didn't press the record button. So today we're going to talk about plastic welding, how to get part A to match with part B. And the whole goal here is to take material from part A, mix it with material from part B to create material C, which will be a blend of the two parts. It's a stronger bond than using glue, and it's easier to hide and make your seams look nice and smooth. So what you're going to need: soldering iron, get them for $10 on Amazon, nice and easy. Clamps to hold your pieces together, better than tape, which will come off and not hold as strong. And filament that you use to print your model. An optional one is a 3D pen. You can use it to fill in channels real easily. However, do remember that it is not going to bond the pieces. It is just to be able to put more material in there in case you make big divots. So if I have my seam and it goes like this, some people will take the soldering iron and go down the center of it and create a channel, which is really good if you are going to be adding extra material in. Some people will go on a 90-degree angle across from it. I think it's good. It just isn't the most optimal way of doing it. If I have my vertical line, my vertical seam, I go on a slight angle. More material will be able to be put into that seam instead of being left on the sides and creating big holes. Now I'm working on my red hood neck here and decided to do a little beforehand. So down here, you see how I've gone, here's the seam here at the very bottom, but I've gone on a slight angle to overlap everything. And as we get up to the top, we see that I've smoothed out the parts with the material going into the center. So I will go in the same way my angles are. I will go down this way and move that ejected material back into the hole, and then I will go this way to move the other material back into the hole that I created. And then I will center, down the center, I will smooth that out in order to create a nice seam. Now, once that is done, hit it with an 80 grit sandpaper or so, and then you're ready to fill it with resin and get a perfectly seamless, smooth seam. That's the basic, easy way of doing plastic welding. Don't overthink it. Take your time. Oh, wear some kind of protection for breathing, because you don't want to be sucking in these fumes. I don't always do that because I forget to. But please, if you're going to be doing this, put on like a respirator, especially for big pieces, and protect yourself so that you're not sucking in plastic fumes, because that's not good for your lungs. But anyway, get out there, don't overthink things, take your time, and go make something.